learning to code is not what it was once, and especially if you are a student or somewhat interested in tech. So, the main question is it worth learning code in 2026? My response to that will be it's complicated, and here is why.
Everybody would tell you it is vital that your children learn computer science. And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite.
Hello, everyone, this is Shivani, and welcome back to my channel Shivani Canada. In today's video, we will find out what on earth is going with tech, specifically AI, and what impact it has on coders like me. When I started my career, it was sufficient to, go to a university, learn Python, Java, or any other programming language and do a couple of projects, and I was given a six-figure job offer upon graduation. Internships were offered. It was so easier to get in. But now we have scenarios like
I
this.
can already do all of the jobs that we as humans do.
It's the first technology that has no limit.
There was a news report earlier where Salesforce CEO announced, that the company won't be hiring any additional software engineer this year because they have seen 30% productivity boost from their own AI tool that's called Agent Force.
Workers this year.
UPS is laying off 12,000 people because UPS is now testing artificial intelligence.
Big tech companies announcing they will be eliminating more than 50,000 jobs.
One of the hardest calls that I've had to make.
When it impacts people, it's hard, particularly for a company like Google.
Similarly, Meta CEO also said that in 2025.
An AI that can be a mid-level engineer. A lot of the code in our apps is actually going to be built by AI engineers instead of people.
But this is going to be an AI that is equivalent to someone with 2 to 4 years of experience at a top tech company like Meta. And that AI will go ahead and start writing code for their applications. And not only that, it starts writing code to build other AIs as well. Honestly, if you think about it, if an AI can build 60% of your product for a fraction of the cost, why wouldn't you as a company owner use AI instead? I know what are you thinking. It seems really scary. There are so many AI tools out there. So is it actually worth to code in 2026? And my answer to that will be 100% yes. But there is a trick to it. So try to understand that a technology comes around, it feels like the world is ending. But if you do not adapt, there is no growth for us. And the same thing is happening with AI and coding. If you don't trust me, take this for example. Okay, so in the earlier olden days, people used to write on boards and solve the mathematical problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But now those simple calculations has been replaced by calculators. And when the calculator was introduced, there were some people who argued that it would make basic level math skills vanish. The conclusion to the story is basically new high skill opportunity comes out every time. It is a repetitive trend. Okay, every time a new technology emerges, it actually replaces low skill labor with high skill labor, and the same thing is happening with AI as well. So back in 2019, maybe knowing how to code guaranteed me a job in tech, but now in 2026, even 5 and 6 year olds can code. Basic coding is no longer impressive. You need advanced high value skills. You must learn how to code with AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. If AI is going to take over, is it even worth learning to code? So, my answer to that is understand that AI won't fully replace software engineers overnight because it still makes mistakes. No company would actually let an unreliable AI model to run a business, right? However, AI is advanced enough to replace a low skill developer, and high skill developers, those who truly understand AI, will remain valuable. Now that we have established that learning with AI is essential, in my next video, I will be talking about what are the 5 steps roadmap that can help you to get started. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. Please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. That is Shivani Canada, and I will see you in the next video.